Faraz Khan, and today whoever has joined the business, congratulations. So I want to give you a fair idea about what is generation, what is binary, and what is true matching with NHT Global. Now NHT Global is a hybrid business. So when we're talking about hybrid businesses, we are basically talking in combination, right? So when we're talking about hybrid combination, we're talking it has generation, it has binary, and it has true matching from the same business volume. So business volume is what you bring into NHT Global. So our one business volume is approximately $1.5, okay, and the company pays you $1, that is your commission, into Indian INR is 170 rupees, right? So this is approximately your 1 PV. So this is how this is the hybrid business plan, which gives you income through generation, binary, true matching from the same business volume you bring into the business, right, with NHT Global. Now, in this NHT Global hybrid business plan is how you make income with generation, how you make income with binary, how you make income with true matching. We'll take the first three basics of the plan. Now, if you want to make a generation income or a binary income or a true matching income, what is the first criteria we need to do to get qualified? You need to basically bring two team person, one on the left, one on the right. When you do this, you are fully qualified. Okay, so this is your basic criteria to get started with generation, binary, and true matching. Now, for instance, you start the business over here with us. Okay, you decide either a gold, a platinum, whatever you have selected to yourself, emerald, ruby, whichever you have selected. You are eligible to make all the three incomes as per your position, but when you met your first criteria of one left, one right. Now, if you have, so we'll take only the example of gold and platinum for this, so it becomes easier for you to understand. So if you want to earn the generation income, you qualify one left, one right. Okay, so this person is your level 1 who you brought direct, and this person is your level 1, right? He was here direct. So these two people, you took platinum rank, okay? He's taken 1000 BV, 1000 BV, and you also started with the platinum rank of 1000 BV, right? So you are going to make level 1, level 2, level 3 income, right? Now, when you make these income, so if the person who comes on your first level, you're making 10%, you're also making 10% as per the diagram. So what will be your income be as a generation of level 1 for a platinum distributor? You will make $100 for introducing another platinum to the business. Okay, so this is understood. This is only paid to platinum and gold, right, on your level 1. If you're a level 1, you're going to make is $100, right? You make on your level 2, if this person brings another person to the business and he also takes 1000 BV, so at a level 2, as a gold and platinum, you are paid 5%. So here you are paid 10%, you got that, now you will be paid 5%. Now, to make your level 2 in generation, you need to be a gold distributor, but you sponsor a platinum, so you are qualified to make from the level 2. But the basic criteria is to be a gold. You have to introduce a gold, right? So here you will make $50. So you made $50 on your gold and platinum rank, as you selected this rank for yourself, right? So you made $50. Whereas this person, if he brings third person who buys 1000 BV, okay, you will make 3%. Again, here the criteria is that the person has to be a gold distributor, right? So you will make $30. So you will make $30 on your platinum and gold rank. So in totality, you made $180, right? $180, sorry, $180 on bringing 3 platinum distributors, okay, from which only you introduce this person directly, and these are indirect of yours. So you have made $180 by this contribution through your generation upgrade, right? Now, understood, very simple is, again I'll give you a diagram. 1, okay, this is how your generation works, is you bring your left and right, you're fully qualified. This is your level 1, This person who brings in, this becomes your level 2. This person who brings in becomes your level 3. Here you're paid 10% of the gold and platinum. Here you're paid 5% of the gold and platinum. Here you're paid 3%. Okay, so when you bring these two people left and right, and if this leg is not operating and only you're working on this, even you're paid your single leg income. Right? So even if your one leg is working and you're getting a generation income, this payout will be done when you have met this direct, this direct. One on the left, one on the right, you are fully qualified to make your generation income. So this is the entire generation how the company pays it, right? Now we talk about the binary. How are you paid your binary? Now if you're a gold and platinum, over here the binary says again the same thing is we have a left and a right team. This is you. You bring one on the left, one on the right. You're fully qualified. Now, as you see, you bring 1000 BV here, you brought 1000 BV here, right? 1000, 1000 you brought here. So these are business volumes you brought. So our one cycle, okay, bonus criteria is 1000 BV and 500 BV. So when you do this, you're going to be paid 20% on the weaker side of your weak side. So it's 2:1 ratio, right? So if you take this 20% on 500, so your payout is going to be is 100. So $100 is the commission paid to the gold and platinum distributors, right? Very pretty simple. So your minimum thing is 1000, 1000. So what will happen is here this is 1000. From here we'll take 500. So this is one match. Okay. So the balance 500 is left. So whenever you drop your another 1000, either 500 and 500, you match, or you bring 500 here and you bring one other platinum here, you match. So whenever this is happening, you are making $100. Pretty simple calculation. 1000, 500, we're calculating on the weaker side. So the calculation is of the weaker side. Weaker side, 20%, 500 BV is going to give you 100. So $100 is your payout. Pretty simple. So as per the Indian conversion, it comes to 7,000 INR. So you do 10 cycles, you make India, you're going to make is 70,000, you make 20 cycles, you're going to make is 1,40,000. So it depends. It depends totally upon your potential, what you want to make. That totally depends on you. Now, this is generation, this is binary, the same income. Now again, the true matching. Now this is like the icing, okay, of the cake. You know, this is like a best way to make money. Now this same way, if you see your left, your right, okay, this is you, you're a platinum distributor, okay. Now this is how your team is building, okay. You have two team structure. Now you have sponsored one person over here, so he will come and sit on the last sponsor. This is your last on your outer left, okay, on your outer left, last. See what happens with any binary business is you can never have a third leg, okay, so that is not possible. You can only have one on the left, one on the right. So anybody who you sponsor cannot come to the third leg, right? So it will go to the last sponsor ID. Now even if this person, your last sponsor, is coming on the 100th leg, pretty simple. So this becomes 101, right? But still you have sponsored this person, so this is your level 1. Always remember. So here, this level 1, if he's taking 1000 BV, you sitting on top on 101 level on top of up, you make 10%, that's a generation, right? 1. Now, this person will give the entire structure the 1000 BV. So, for instance, if you have this person is a direct, this person is a direct, and this person is a direct. Now, this person has gone and matched 500 BV, he's made $100. This guy went and matched his 500 BV, he made $100. He's your direct. He also matched. He made 500 BV. He got $100. Okay. Now these three people who have matched, so they are going to be paid. They are all gold and platinum distributors. Gold and platinum. Gold and platinum. So they are going to be paid 20% on the weaker side, 20% on the weaker side, 20% on the weaker side. So you have got $300. These three people made. So they are all your direct. So what the true matching does is whatever check they made, you're going to make 10% of their check. So that's a check match. So this check match of yours will give you 10%, that is $30, right? So this $30 is going to be paid to you. Now this is by just they made one binary income of $100, right? Okay, you made 10% setting up, so that $10 is paid to you. So that is true matching. It's purely going to be unlimited. You do not know from where this money will be pouring in, and this money will be coming to you every time you see there's a check match of a person, even if he's on your 1000 level, and here it's your direct sponsor, and these people are making up their checks over here. Whatever check they match, it's going to hit your account. In between also, whatever people you have sponsored, all these people are going to give you the benefit of the check match. So this is crazy money, dude. So this true matching, binary, generation, you earn out of the same business volume. So this becomes the highly paid commission, where the company is already paying you 45 to 49%, which is the highest in the industry. So NST Global Business Plan is the highest rewarding plan. So this is the basic to give you the generation, binary and true matching. If you want to understand more in detail, we can get in touch, or the person who's invited you, you can talk to him and go back to him. Thanks a lot for listening to me. I was trying to make this as simple as possible, but we can go in detail and we can talk in detail on the same. Thanks a lot for listening to me. God bless. Bye-bye.